Reading Pioneers is proud to present Sammy Learns to Help, written by Sara Israel. Sammy learned in class today that when helping others, you should not delay. It feels nice to be helped, I'm sure you can tell, but the person who helps feels good as well. It will make you happy deep inside. This lesson should always be applied. So Sammy started to think of a way to help out others during his day. Sammy was sitting in his class. He was trying to finish his math real fast. His teacher said that when they're done, they could play outside or go for a run. But when he turned his head just now, he saw his friend didn't know how to do the problems on the sheet. So Sammy went next to him and took a seat. Sammy helped him with the math and felt in his heart that he took the right path. On his way home from school, Sammy took a drink. He finished the bottle in a blink. Instead of putting it into the trash, he tossed the bottle into his stash. Today he plans to recycle the bottle. He hopes to be a good role model, helping the environment and the world which we live is also a form of learning to give. Sammy saw his mother baking chocolate cake is what she was making. He stopped and thought how he could assist. This opportunity could not be missed. So he went to his mother to ask what she needs. The icing in the cabinet, please. He put the icing on a plate. The good feeling came and didn't wait. Sammy's brother was playing with toys when his building crashed and made a loud noise. His brother started to scream and shout. Sammy didn't want his brother to pout. He went to help him build it back up. His brother smiled and gave him a hug. What Sammy learned today in school was that helping others is pretty cool. The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading along with us today to the story by Sara Israel, Sammy Learns to Help. Colorful children's rhyming storybook about the importance of being kind and helping others. I loved how Sammy took the initiative to help his classmate and mom and sees the importance of not being selfish. Please support Sara by visiting Amazon, where you can purchase Sammy Learns to Help as a Kindle ebook or paperback for yourself or a loved one. There, you'll see that this book is actually part of a 3 children's book series called Sammy Learns, which you can read along with me by subscribing to this YouTube channel. You can also follow Sara on Pinterest at ESI Publishing, and don't worry, I'll provide all of the links in the description box down below. Sara asked me to read her Sammy Learns books on this channel, and I'm so thankful for this opportunity. If you have a book you'd like to be read, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next read aloud. Also, it would really help this channel if you like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family to not miss out on the next upload coming soon. Unfortunately, this is the end of the video. While waiting for the next Sammy Learns read aloud, remember to visit Amazon to purchase this incredible story. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye!